Hello everyone, welcome to the Geoecologist. I am Dr. Krishnanand and there is an important announcement in this video about the courses on our website, thegeoecologist.com. So the courses related to UPSC Geography Optional and UGC NET Geography Paper 2, which is available online on our website. The policies will be revised and things will change from 1st of January. So before that, the offer is available as discounts on our website till 31st December 2024. So I hope that you all are aware about it. If you're not aware, please take a look into the website. So this is our website, thegeoecologist.com, and this is the interaction page where you go. You see all these courses listed here in green button, so you can take it directly. But if you want course details here, you can drag it down and click on any of these course info. So if I click on course info, what opens is the page where you can see the details of these courses. So when you read all the details, you can see what is the price, what will be the final price, and all the details are listed here. And when you go down further, you can see that one of the lectures is given for free, which you can watch before you actually buy the course. So my recommendation is that before you actually buy the course, please go to these orientation lectures, the free lectures, and then decide if you want the course. As once you buy the course, there is no refund offers on these online courses. So make sure that you look into all the details, and for any more details, if you have, please do WhatsApp us your query with your name and location for technical support as well as for any course related query. So all the best wishes. Please make the best use of these offers available till 31st of December. As from 1st of January, our policies and the prices on the website is going to change. So best wishes to all of you. Take care.